It's a natural habitat. The natural habitat. Here we are in a natural habitat of Hey Felix. Look at him. He's so mad. He looks so mad. Hey, focus. Focus. Look at him. Here's the Todd. Angry as always. Angry as always. He is. Here's a Felix. He is very angry right now. He doesn't know what's gonna happen. Somebody's gonna get him. He doesn't know, but he's a kitten. Da da da. No, you're not cracking a smile. You're just blinking at me. You're just blinking at me, buddy. You're just blinking at me. He's like, what is wrong with me right now? Here we are in a night. Meow. Look at the camera. You are not happy, aren't you? Your face is bigger than it looks, buddy. You fit my whole screen.